had been submitted to the federal government preceding this notification, recommending the regulation of यही बात थी जी, regulation of digital currencies.
No, sir. Actually, the group actually developed a report which was submitted to the Finance Ministry through National AML CFT Authority. Actually, we were part of that group. FMU was part of that group.
What did that report say in the end?
And it provided policy prescription on dealing with this thing.
But all right, I know. I simply cannot get through this, government language because unless which provided policy prescriptions to the government for the purposes of regulating the crypto and digital currency business. The notification issued by the Prime Minister includes the following terms of reference. ये terms of reference लिख दीजिएगा इसमें से, ठीक है?
Sir, one kind request, sir.
Which tends to show that responsible innovation by working closely with the responsible innovation and protection of consumers and financial security through robust legal and compliance frameworks will be developed. In view of the foregoing, the almost blanket prohibition under the impugned BPRD circular number 33
of 2018.
BPRD circular number 3 of 2018 dated 6th of April 2018 seems to be overtaken by the aforesaid policy decision of the government. In this court's view, the case may be disposed of on that basis with the direction to the government to aim to finalize the legal framework, the regulatory framework within 6 months from the day the petition is disposed of. As for the other aspect of the prosecution of the petitioners, the learned Additional Attorney General is apprised that such prosecution may not be required anymore, given that the inquiries were filed by private persons or initiated by FIA in reliance on BPRD circular number 3 of 2018, and given that and it would be rather anomalous for the state to be prosecuting the petitioners at the same time while it has opened up to the need for regulation of the area of digital currency and related businesses rather than an outright prohibition. Relist for next week, sir, ये instructions लेके आ जाइए and we will close this business.
एक सबमिशन थी, ये करें, ये जो रिपोर्ट इन्होंने फाइल की थी, ये जो नोटिफिकेशन उसकी बेस पे नहीं हो रहा, दैट वाज वन प्रोसीजर माय लॉर्ड, जो डायरेक्टर ऑफ दिस हाई कोर्ट थी, उसकी बेस पे।
अच्छा, मैं उसको ठीक कर, मैं उस ऑर्डर में ठीक कर दूँ,
स्टेटमेंट थोड़ी माय लॉर्ड,
मैं उस ऑर्डर में ठीक कर दूँ। वर्की साहब, I have a bit of a regret that I will not be able to benefit from your financial sector's knowledge any further if this case is disposed of earlier.
Thank you, Lordship.
चलिए, in another case, you look at it in another case. अगले हफ्ते की डेट दे दीजिए, आपको आने की ज़रूरत नहीं है सर।
Thank you, sir.
सिर्फ ये मुझे ये स्टेटमेंट बताएंगे और मैं उस बेसिस पे I'll be able to dispose of. ठीक है जी।
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. prosecution may not be required anymore, given that the inquiries were filed by private persons in reliance on BPRD circular number 3 of 20.
हसन अब्बास साहब, हकीकत क्या है?